we know firsthand, because we understand manufacturing, we understand our customers' manufacturing process, and we're able to adapt quickly and easily to what their changes are. And that's pretty much what sets us apart from a lot of distributors and people in that industry. We know what the customer needs, and we can adapt to those needs. A lot of times products change, and we can adapt to that a lot easier. So we understand processes extremely well. Resource-wise is that we have many years of manufacturing. It's not only fastener manufacturing, it's manufacturing in a lot of different areas. Experience with stampings, a lot of experience with just assemblies. We're into appliance areas, into the toy industry, the furniture industry, the military industry, the automotive industry, all these different industries. And we've seen a lot of different applications and helped people with their applications. So we've got kind of a we have more experience with industries in general that allow us to have more knowledge about it, or give advice to the customer to see how they can improve their product or their problem or whatever. So it doesn't matter if it's a pre-design or if it's a current design, or if there's an issue or a pain. You know, if you have to change or solve a problem very quickly, you know, we do that extremely well. It's a team approach here, which makes it a little bit different. A lot of people just take experts in certain areas or whatever. We tend to blend our minds together and figure out what the best approach is. But we have very experienced people or whatever, and our approach is to go back with all our people, kind of huddle together and figure out what the best approach is.